It starts with a vision, a dream of creating one of the world's most luxury cars. Inside a Goodwood factory in England, skilled craftsmen and advanced technology work together to build a masterpiece. Every Phantom begins with its future owner. Customers work directly with Rolls-Royce designers to personalize every detail of vehicle. They can choose from more than 44,000 colors. Customers choose premium leather and rare natural wood veneers. With every detail approved, production is ready to begin. The large aluminum panels will be transformed into the lightweight. Here, a laser cutting machine cuts the aluminum panels according to Rolls-Royce frame. The advanced robotic arms performs hundreds of precision welds with accuracy to make Rolls-Royce frame. Experienced craftsmen carefully inspect every weld and every panel to ensure flawless quality. Before paint, the body is carefully cleaned and treated to remove even smallest imperfections. In paint section, fully automatic robotic arms paint the Rolls-Royce frame according to customer selection. Skilled artisans carefully sew each leather panel by hand. The handcrafted leather is carefully fitted onto Phantom seat. Every Phantom is powered by a 6.75-liter V12 hand-assembled engine. The advanced automatic transmission is now connected to V12 engine. Using computer-guided lifting equipments, skilled technicians carefully install the V12 engine onto a space frame. Engineers monitor every system with advanced diagnostic equipments, ensuring engine delivers the expected result. A skilled electrician works inside to make the export connections. Skilled craftsmen carefully installed handcrafted dashboard. After dashboard fitting, steering controls are manually checked. Leather seats are installed carefully. The electrician installing signature roof lights by hand. The advanced self-leveling air suspension is installed, creating one of the smoothest rides in the world. Powerful braking system is installed carefully. The iconic wheels are mounted with extraordinary precision. Power window and doors are tested. The iconic headlights and tail lights are fitted carefully. The programmers are installing software into Rolls-Royce system. For the first time, the handcrafted V12 engine comes to life. Master detailers carefully clean every surface by hand. Skilled technicians carefully mount the handcrafted emblem onto the hood. Before every Phantom is approved, engineers connect the vehicle to advanced diagnostic system. After passing every inspection, the Rolls-Royce received its final approval. The completed Rolls-Royce is finally revealed, a masterpiece built without compromise. Now it is ready to meet the owner. Master Thank you for joining us inside the Rolls-Royce factory. If you enjoy, don't forget to like and subscribe.